On this vote, the ayes are 234 and the nays are 194. The amendment is adopted.
And that was the House of Representatives voting tonight to repeal the 1993 law known as Don't Ask, Don't Tell that prohibited openly gay men and women from serving in the military. Good evening, glad you're with us. I'm Brooke Berry.
And I'm Chris Long. The vote came down just several hours after the Senate Armed Services Committee took the same course and approved the measure. Most Republicans, including Congresswoman Mary Bono Mack, voted against lifting the ban.
In a statement tonight, Bono Mack reiterated her support of prominent military leaders who have publicly asked for a review of the implications of repealing the law. She said, quote, "The Secretary of Defense asked for only a few short months to make the changes repealing Don't Ask, Don't Tell. Yet by taking this vote today, we took time away from our military leaders that could have been used to complete such an important process." One local man we spoke with tonight thought it was about time that the law is repealed.
I wanted to be in the Air Force as a kid. I went to enlist when I was 17, and they said no. I said, by the way, I'm gay. And they were like, hold on, let's look at the books. And they came back and they said no. So to watch this transpire is very exciting.